Good morning ka-friendship. Today's video ay magluluto tayo ng pork cordon bleu. Okay? So, stay tuned, sit back and relax, and please watch this video until the end. Here are the ingredients. We have here pork tapa. Ayan. Manipis siya ka-friendship. Na-slice na siya ng manipis. We have here sweet ham. And we have here sliced cheese. Pwede din kayong gumamit ng yung cheese na sa bar. Pero ako gusto ko to yung slice na para even yung pagka slice ng cheese. Okay, we have here breadcrumbs, flour, cooking oil, salt and pepper, and of course we have here calamansi, fried garlic, and we have egg. And later we will also use mayonnaise and ketchup for the dressing. Okay, so what we are going to do first is if flatten natin yung pork. Okay. Ilagay natin siya sa plastic. Ayan. Tapos, ipa-flat lang natin siya ka-friendship. Pag na-flat na siya ka-friendship, lalagyan natin siya ng pampalasa. Okay. Sandali. Tissue. Lagyan natin siya ng salt. Pepper. And doon din sa kabila. So, kalagyan natin siya, dagdagan natin siya ka-friendship ng calamansi, dagdag pampalasa. Ayan. Ilalagay natin yung ham at saka lagyan natin ng cheese. Okay, and after that, i-roll natin siya ka-friendship. Baon ng cheese. Cheese muna bago ham, sorry. Set aside na muna natin siya ka-friendship. At ganito din yung gagawin natin sa natirang pork. Pwede din kayong gumamit ka-friendship instead of pork. Gumamit din kayo ng chicken. I-fillet nyo lang siya ng manipis. Hiwain nyo siya ng manipis. And make sure na laman yung gagamitin nyo. Walang buto-buto. Ako kasi mas gusto ko to yung pork kesa chicken. Ka-friendship, lagyan natin ng salt and pepper yung beaten egg natin. natin ng konting fried garlic. Dagdag pang palasa. And while we're doing this, magpapainit tayo ng pan dahil i-deep fry natin yung pork cordon bleu natin. So, what we're going to do next, ka-friendship, is ilalagay muna natin ditong pork, yung niro natin pork, ham and cheese, saka sa flour, and then sa breadcrumbs. And bago natin siya i-roll dyan, lagyan muna natin siya ng fried garlic, dagdag pang palasa, then i-roll natin sa flour, and then sa breadcrumbs. Maglalagay na tayo ng oil sa ating pan. Dahil mag-deep fry na natin. I-deep fry na natin yung pork cordon bleu natin, ka-friendship. So, dagdagan pa natin ng cooking oil. Kailangan natin siyang i-deep fry just to make sure na talagang luto siya. So, painitin na natin siya, ka-friendship. I-fry natin siya in low heat. Okay, ka-friendship, ito na po, luto na yung pork cordon bleu natin. Ito siya. Itong dressing, ano lang to, ka-friendship, ketchup saka mayonnaise. Okay, so how I wish may natutunan kayo ngayong araw. And also please, if you like this video, kindly hit that like and share button. And to those who are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell. Okay, thank you very much for watching Ka-Friendship. Once again, this is Tito Mira at your service. Always remember that stay positive and having a grateful attitude is going to determine how you're going to live your life. Okay, so see you in my next video. God bless us all. Bye-bye.